Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fathonah binti Bohan and my matric numbers is A1980451. Okay, now I will present about my industrial training at VOLVO Shah Alam. Okay, next, this is my industrial training places, which is VOLVO Cars Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. Okay, this is the content is about first we will go through about VOLVO cars manufacturing and a little bit about their background industry, and then third is a scope of exposure to the student, and fourth contribution to the industry, and fifth suggestion for improvement, and also sixth challenge of the task execution, and the last one is add value to the student acknowledgement. Okay, next we will go through with a background of the industry, which is VOLVO Cars Manufacturing Malaysia Sdn is the country's oldest automotive or automobile manufacturing, and VOLVO first assembly plant outside from the Europe. Okay. Besides that, VOLVO car manufacturing is a automotive industrial and founded in 1927. But in Malaysia, they started on 1965. 1965, they started on to operating VOLVO car manufacturing at Shah Alam. Okay, and next, headquarters, VOLVO Cars headquarters is from Sweden in Torslanda, Gothenburg, and now VOLVO Car is focused on a safe environment and for everyone. Okay. This is a little bit about background of the industry, VOLVO Cars, which is VOLVO Cars focus on safe environment for everyone, for work, for and also from trees, which is VOLVO Cars mission is they want to use 100% of electric, full electrician, which is 2030 they will go to the 100% of cars which is that use of full electrician. And then their mission for 2025, they will go through with a 40% safe environment. Okay, now we move to the scope of exposure, which is they have two things, which is first is task by the company. Okay, second is expected that had been studied, which is what I had been studied from the internship placement. First, we move to the task by company. First, I have to create TO number on SAP software, which is TO is transfer order number. I have to create transfer order number on SAP software, which is SAP software is one of the software that VOLVO Cars use by right now. Okay, next is I have to controller board HBR. HBR is mean height beam rack, which is I have to control pit list. I have to control in and out all the pit list that on the board HBR. Okay. Third one is skills the SAP software system, which is the company give me the responsibilities to skills the SAP system software in 1 week. Okay, and then last one is learn about plant supply chain department, which is I have to understand why plant supply chain department is important in VOLVO car manufacturing. Okay, next we move to the expected that had been studied, which is what I got from internship placement at VOLVO Car Malaysia. First is I can enhance my knowledge and skills, especially in software system of SAP. Of course, this is one of the best that I got from internship placement, because I can learn something new and I can know a little bit of knowledge about software, especially in SAP system, because I think SAP system is one of the important thing at every manufacturing in Malaysia. Okay, next is exposed to the real world of work experience environment. Second is exposed to the latest technologies, especially in SAP software system. And third is exposed to how global a company like VOLVO Cars is how they manage their production line, especially in supply chain per day. Okay, next we move to the contribution to the company. We have three. I have three contribution to the company. First is assist, and second support, and third is help, which is assist. For assist, I help my team member to create transfer orders numbers, and then second is I assist PC printing and support PC printing team members others. Okay, next is support, which is first I support team members to create second TO. If first TO got problems, so I have to support them to create second TO. Okay. Next help, which is I help other team members in counting stock. In of material to ensure that the process of supply chain will go smooth, which is counting stock I have to do by manually. We move to the suggestion for improvement. Okay, my suggestion for improvement at VOLVO combination is first, give an opportunity to student internship to stand out at their company. Second is give the chance to student to apply their own skills that they have, to encourage them in their work life experience that they got from university before. And then third one is management need to share or apply how they manage their supply chain to student, to ensure that student get the knowledge about the supply chain in their company. Maybe not much that they can share or apply or give their knowledge to the student internship, but they can share what they have to share. That's I think about. And the last one is for the best member team of admin transfer order management, especially material planning, need to plan in their sequence carefully to ensure that admin team can do the system well without wasting any time. Move to the challenge, to the task given. Okay, first challenge is need to understand every code used in VOLVO cars manufacturing, especially in supply chain area code. Second is need to learn the new software every month, because VOLVO company always update their software system. And third challenge is need to catch up with the set time in a day to prepare transfer order numbers. Otherwise, all production will downtown, which cause the VOLVO company to lose their daily car production. Okay. Next, we move to the added value, which is add value to the student knowledge while students are doing the industrial training. Okay, first value that I got from the VOLVO cars is first exposed to the real world experience of working, and learn how to manage their time in work life. And second is allow students to exercise the skill and knowledge that they have learned at university before. And third is they can boost their self-confidence and also communication with other people that they never know about them. And then they can improve a lot of things in personality with a new environment and new culture. I think that's all for my presentation on VOLVO cars manufacturing September Height, Malaysia, for industrial training. I hope you guys are happy, and thank you.